Welcome. I am Professor G.D. Rauti, Department of Chemistry, Sri R.R. Rauti Science College, Morshi, delivering a video lecture on phase equilibrium first. Partially miscible liquids. A large number of liquids are known which dissolve in one another only to a limited extent. These liquids show limited solubility, and as the temperature changes, the mutual solubility changes. This gives rise to three kinds of system: phenol water system, triethylamine water system, nicotine water system. Phenol water system. When phenol and water are mixed together, they form two separate layers. If mixture is stirred and then allowed to settle down at room temperature, the upper form saturated solution of phenol in water, while lower layer is saturated solution of water in phenol. The composition depends on temperature and the pressure. Now, if the system is heated while the mixture is stirred continuously, a stage is reached when both the layer merge to give homogeneous mixture and turbidity disappear. This temperature is called mutual solubility temperature or critical solution temperature. Triethylamine water system. The temperature composition curve of mutual solubility curve of triethylamine and water is given in figure. The left hand side of the curve indicates solubility curve of triethylamine in water, and the right hand side of that water in triethylamine. Unlike phenol water system, the solubility decreases with increase in temperature. In this system, the two conjugate solution mix up completely at or below 18.5 degrees Celsius. This temperature is also called the critical solution temperature or the lower conserved temperature. At the above case, any point above the horizontal line corresponds to heterogeneity of the system, while below it is complete homogeneity. Thus, an equicomponent mixture will be completely miscible at 10 degrees Celsius, but at 50 degrees Celsius there will be separating out two layers, changing having composition corresponding to the point C and D. Nicotine water system. The behavior of this type of system is as a combination of first two types. At ordinary temperature, nicotine and water are completely miscible, but at higher temperature, the mutual solubility decreases, and as the temperature is raised, further two liquid again become miscible. In other words, the mutual solubility decreases both on lowering as well as raising the temperature in certain ranges. Thus, we have a closed solubility curve, and the system has two critical solution temperature. The upper 208 degrees Celsius and the lower 61 degrees Celsius. The effect of pressure on this system is that the lower critical temperature is raised while the upper critical temperature is lower gradually until finally they become one. At this point, the liquid are miscible at all the temperature. Raoult's law. Raoult's law has been named after Francois Marie Raoult, a French chemist who, while conducting an experiment, found out that when substances were mixed in a solution, the vapor pressure of the solution decreased simultaneously. Raoult's law was established in the year 1887. Raoult's law states that the solvent partial vapor pressure in solution or mixture is equal or identical to the vapor pressure of pure solvent multiplied by its mole fraction in the solution. Mathematically, Raoult's law equation is written as P solution equal to X solvent P0 solvent, where P solution vapor pressure of the solution, X solvent mole fraction of the solvent, P0 solvent vapor pressure of the pure solvent. Consider a solution of volatile liquid A and B in a container. Because A and B are both volatile, there would be both particle of A and B in the vapor phase. Hence, the vapor particle of both A and B exert partial pressure which contribute to the total pressure above the solution. Raoult's law further states that at equilibrium, Pa equal to P0A XA, Pb equal to P0B XB, where Pa is the partial pressure of A, P0A is the vapor pressure of pure A at that temperature, Xa is the mole fraction of A in the liquid phase. Types of solution. On the basis of Raoult's law, liquid solution are classified into two types of solution. They are ideal solution and non-ideal solution. Ideal and non-ideal solution. The solution which obey Raoult's law at all composition of solute in solvent at all temperature are called ideal solution. Ideal solution can be obtained by mixing two components with identical molecular size, structure. They should have almost same intermolecular attraction. Example: two liquid A and B form an ideal solution when AA and BB molecular attraction will be same, and hence AB molecular attraction will be almost same as AA and BB molecular attraction. An ideal solution should have following characteristics. It should obey Raoult's law: Pa equal to Xa and Pb equal to Xb. Delta S mixing equal to 0. No heat should be absorbed or evolved during mixing. Delta V mixing equal to 0. No expansion or contraction on mixing. Non-ideal solution. The solution which deviate from ideal behavior are called non-ideal solution or real solution, and they do not obey Raoult's law over entire range of composition. It has been found on increasing dilution, a non-ideal solution tend to be ideal. For non-ideal solution, Pa is not equal to Xa, P0A, Pb is not equal to Xb, P0B. They do not obey Raoult's law. Delta H mixing is not equal to 0, delta V mixing is equal to 0. Condition for forming non-ideal solution showing negative deviation. Two liquid A and B on mixing form this type of solution when AB attractive force should be greater than AA and BB attractive force. A and B have different shape, size and character. Escaping tendency of both A and B is lower, showing lower vapor pressure than expected ideally. These are the graph showing ideal, that is system showing obeying Raoult's law, that is dotted curve, and solid curve above and below indicates positive and negative deviation from Raoult's law. Comparison between ideal and non-ideal solution. Ideal solution, non-ideal solution. Ideal solution obey Raoult's law at every range of concentration. Non-ideal solution are divided into positive deviation from Raoult's law and negative deviation from Raoult's law. Positive deviation do not obey Raoult's law. Negative deviation also do not obey Raoult's law. Delta H mixing for ideal solution is 0. Neither is evolved nor absorbed during dissolution. Delta H mixing is greater than 0. Endothermic dissolution. Delta H mixing is less than 0. Exothermic dissolution. Delta V mix equal to 0. Total volume of the solution is equal to sum of volume of component. Delta V is greater than 0. Volume is increased after dissolution. Delta V mix is less than 0. Volume is decreased during dissolution. P for ideal solution, P equal to Pa plus Pb equal to P0A Xa plus P0B Xb. Positive deviation from Raoult's law. Pa is greater than P0A Xa. Pb is greater than P0B Xb. Therefore, Pa plus Pb is greater than P0A Xa plus P0B Xb. Negative deviation from Raoult's law. Pa is less than P0A Xa. Pb is less than P0B Xb. Pa plus Pb is less than P0A Xa plus P0B Xb. Interaction should be same, that is A and B are identical in shape, size and character. AB attractive force should be weaker than AA and BB attractive force. A and B have different shape, size and character. AB attractive force should be greater than AA and BB attractive force. A and B have different shape, size and character. Is ideal solution escaping tendency of A and B should be same in pure liquid and in the same solution. Positive deviation from Raoult's law. A and B have escaped easily, showing highest vapor pressure than the expected value. Negative deviation from Raoult's law. Escaping tendency of both component A and B is lower, showing lower vapor pressure than expected ideally. Types of miscible liquids. Miscible liquid solution are divided into three types. Type 1 solution which obey Raoult's law and vapor pressure of any component is given by Pa equal to P0x Xa and P0 Xb, or it is a straight line when plotted between vapor pressure and composition. These are the ideal solution always lie between the boiling point of constituent liquids. For example, benzene and toluene solution. These are the graphs showing ideal solution. First figure, that is straight line graph is obtained. Second figure shows three types of liquid. Type 1 which obeys Raoult's law. Type 2 positive deviation. Type 3 negative deviation from Raoult's law. Type 2 liquid solution deviate positively from Raoult's law. Our vapor pressure of the solution is always higher than the calculated by Raoult's law. Boiling point of such solution are always lower than the boiling point of individual components. Such solution have minimum boiling point at specific composition. At this temperature, the solution distilled without changes of composition. Such solution are called as constant boiling mixture or minimum boiling point azeotropic solution. Example: ethyl alcohol water solution with minimum boiling point at 78.73 degrees Celsius with 95.59% alcohol. Type 3, these are the solution whose vapor pressure are lower than the calculated by Raoult's law. Negative deviation, boiling point of the solution always higher than the boiling point of the individual liquids. This type of solution show maximum boiling point at certain composition. Example, HCl water solution with maximum boiling point at 1085 degrees Celsius with 20.2% HCl.